Pineapple from the Philippines. Uy, ako sa kabugaw. What? Thailand. Wow, I love this avocado. Avocado. For sure this is from not US. Brazil kadalasan avocado. Wow, I love it. So sweet. Yeah, grapefruits. Grapefruits. And the papaya, $14 for three when you buy papaya. Oh no, grapefruit. And papaya from the Philippines. Oh my god. How expensive the papaya. We have planted papaya, but this is so expensive. 22.90 per piece. I'm so happy that I saw a lot of Philippine products. Oh, the giant! Oh my gosh, this is so huge. Wow, so big. Ang sarap naman kainin itong from New Zealand. Oh, no. Baka ako sabi. Vietnam mango. Ang lalaki ng Vietnam mango. Apples. This is cute. $25 only. What is this? China watermelon. Ito naman ay China banana. Yung banana nila, sobrang laki. Meron yung Pinas. Pero mas malaki pa niya. Uy, talagang dami yung watermelon. Watermelon is good during summer season. Maganda siya kasi para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. But ito naman yung ano na, yung melon from China. This is also from China. China melon. Sorry. Watermelon. Ito yung sinat ko yesterday. Ang grabing ano niya. Ano mo yung kulay? Pink na pink. Napaka-watery. And the banana is from, sometimes banana from, what is it from? Philippines. Oh, shucks. So, kapag naka-slice naman guys, it's very expensive ko ng slice na. Kasi wala ka nang gagawin, hindi ka kainin mo na lang diretsyo. Whereas kung babalik ka na, bibili ka ng maliliit, hindi pa na-cut, it's cheap. And this strawberry is how much? $42. Meron din yung malalaki, meron din yung liit. Yan.